Hi, welcome back to the Alpha. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 18 plate Mini Countryman Cooper. This is a wonderful car, super low mileage, just on over 22,000 miles. Now the colour's called light white, which is the very, very nice bright white, and it's also got the must-have chili pack. So they do one without the chili pack and one with, and it's got some nice other features as well, which I'm going to show you as we loop round it. Now the light white, as you can see, is a very, very sparkling white, shall we say. Now it's riding on also the 17-inch upgrade alloy wheels. Now externally, the Countryman is SUV looking, so we've got the what we could describe as the more off-road sculpted aerodynamic body kit. Front fog lamps. This one has the black roof and also the black mirror caps, which again is a factory option, and that marries then wonderfully well to the rear privacy glass. Now this has that sort of chunky feel, but when you drive these vehicles, they're absolutely as easy to drive as any standard Mini. We've got the parking sensors around the rear, and then the black detail follows through to the number plate trim, and this one has then the Countryman decal. Now let's take a look in the boot. Just look at the size of boot that's on these cars. Wonderful. So if you've got a growing family, these are ideal. It's a nice level boot floor, but this floor will also drop down, and as you can see there, then we've got the underfloor where there's a set of carpet mats and also the inflation kit, which again is a factory option. Nice size, so if you're thinking about parking them in sort of Asda car park or the supermarket, very, very easy to park. Looking in the rear, there's room there for 3 adults, but if you've got children's chairs, we've also got the ISOFIX capability. Lovely zebra trim in there as well. Non-smoking car, that's very important to us here at Alpha Motors. This one's got the comfort access as well, so keys are in my pocket here. Just press that little button there, and as you can see, it locks. Press it again and it unlocks. 2 keys are there in my pocket. Now opening the door, we're greeted by this half leather interior. So when you buy a chili pack, it's just on £2,300 extra, and what you get is half leather interior. You get the digital climate control and also leather trim steering wheel. We get cruise control also and automatic headlamps, but a wonderful car. Satellite navigation, factory option of heated seats. As I jump in there, it's an easy car to get in and out of. Start her up and you'll see that it's only done 23,726 miles. But the seating position here, you've got a good view of the road, lovely black detail, reversing sensors, it comes up on the dashboard there as a select reverse, automatic handbrake, front armrest. The air conditioning is ice cold, lovely weather here today in Wigan. But what a wonderful car. Feels chunky, feels robust, feels reliable, all the things you want from a family vehicle. We've got a couple of these in at the moment. We've got a white one and we've also got a red one. Very similar specification, so check out that. The red one's going onto the website over the weekend. But if you need any more info, I'm Graham. We've got Dominic on the camera there and Lee in the showroom. Part exchange, finance, we can do everything here. We've been doing it for 40 years, so we've got a good knowledge and a good established business. So if you need any more info, give us a call. But thanks for watching the video.